Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's we're reviewing the Dierya. Now this is a budget mouse you can get on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. This is an RGB honeycomb design. It's meant for obviously fast type of gaming. If that's what you're into or if that's what you're not into, just on top you do have a preview of the mouse. So this is what it looks like. So you have an image on the left, the mouse on the right. This box is a little beat, but it came all the way from Jamaica apparently. If you order on Amazon, it'll come directly from Amazon. So right here it says the length is 123 millimeters, width 67 millimeters, height 40 millimeters, 75 grams, DPI settings. So red mode is 800 DPI, green 2400, 3600 for blue, 5000 for orange, 10,000 for purple, and 16,000 for white. The cable length is 1.5 meters, which equivalates to about 6 feet. Oh, so that came out. Trying to open it. Nice. So it does have a user manual. This is what it looks like. So you do have a lot of information here, and it apparently does have like an app, software, sorry. So you can do that. If you have any questions, you can contact them in the back. So this is what the mouse looks like. You have a braided cable. Cable is pretty strong. So this is a scroll wheel. It's very, very silent. It feels really, really good. Pretty decently loud, but really clicky buttons. I kind of like it. And then the feel overall. The ergonomic design, I mean, it is a fairly small mouse. It's really good. It does have textured grip on the sides as well. On the left side, sorry. On the right, there's no grip. And the inside, it has a diffuser on the bottom, so it'll look a lot nicer. Side buttons are here. On the bottom, you have your grip here. Let's go ahead and get my laptop real quick to show you what it looks like. So it's flashing. There we go. So if you can see the LEDs on camera, then that means they're bright. And you really can see them. That's really cool. I'm gonna turn off the lights real quick. All right, so that's what it looks like. You do have a nice hue on the bottom. You can see it mainly on the front because it's pointed down. And then on the sides, you do have that RGB trim. It does look really nice, not gonna lie. So I got a honeycomb pattern. So if I increase it, this is white. It's on white mode right now. And it's really, really quick. I don't know if you can tell that on camera. The slowest is red, and it's pretty slow. Green, blue, orange, magenta, I believe. And it's really well diffused on the top. On the sides, it's a little dim. Like in some areas right here, it's dim. But other areas like right here, it's bright. It's kind of not flush. I mean, I think this is a pretty cheap mouse, probably like 20 to 30 bucks, but it does work really well. All right, so we have it on the left-hand side, which will also be for the thumbnail. I'm not left-handed, but might as well switch something up. So this is what it looks like. I think we're at the highest DPI. We're at white DPI. I was gonna say I was gonna attempt to play with one hand. Well, don't know if it's possible. For the most part, it kind of is. Playing with the mouse so far, as you can see, the DPI is really fast. It's very accurate as well. So this is the slowest that the preset goes. So it goes really insane and it's very accurate. I'm very shocked on how silent the scroll wheel is compared to something like the Steel series where you can actually hear it. This one, it's so silent. Or something like the Rocket King 202, which is what I'm used to. I do really like it. This is my personal opinion. It's really nice. It's really responsive. It's a little too clicky in my opinion for the triggers. So if you're going to be playing without a headset, or if you're just going to use it as a regular mouse for editing or something like that, it might get a little annoying, but you have a nice tactical feedback, which is good for most people. By the way, if you want to see this, the link is in the description. It comes out October 1st, I believe, sometime within the first month of October. I got this in the middle of September, so I waited on until it's supposed to release, and I heard that it's supposed to release in October. So I'll just wait until it is released, and then I'll post this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.